Deciphering the Yeezy production, Vietnam versus China.
Hello there. Today we are going to delve deep into the world of Yeezy manufacturing. We will specifically focus on the differences between Yeezy manufacturing in Vietnam and China. This comparison will help us understand the brand's strategic decisions and product quality in different regions.
Why are Yeezys made in Vietnam and China?
Adidas, the brand that produces Yeezy, has a diversified manufacturing strategy. They aim to create a balanced portfolio of factories in different regions. Vietnam and China have both become significant players in the shoe manufacturing industry due to their skilled labor, cost-effectiveness, and growing infrastructure.
Differences in manufacturing processes.
The fundamental differences in the manufacturing process between the two countries are often tied to regional specialties, workforce skill sets, and locally available materials. Skill sets. Chinese factories are generally more experienced and have a long history of footwear manufacturing. This often translates into higher proficiency in complex designs or innovative techniques. However, Vietnamese factories have been catching up and gaining proficiency in various production processes. Materials. Availability of local materials might affect the shoe production in terms of quality and cost. For instance, certain materials might be more readily available in China than Vietnam and vice versa, which can impact the manufacturing process.
What about the quality of Yeezys?
The quality of Yeezys manufactured in Vietnam and China is generally comparable. Adidas has strict quality control standards that are implemented globally, so regardless of where the Yeezys are made, they should meet the same stringent standards set by the brand.
Differences in labor costs and implications.
There is often a misconception that products made in countries with lower labor costs are of lower quality, but this is not always the case. Labor costs can significantly impact the cost of production but not necessarily the quality. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, labor costs in Vietnam are generally lower than in China, which can make manufacturing Yeezys in Vietnam more cost-effective. This, however, doesn't mean that the quality of Vietnamese-made Yeezys is any less than their Chinese counterparts. In conclusion, while there are differences between Yeezy manufacturing in Vietnam and China related to labor cost, skill sets, and available materials, the end product's quality is ensured by Adidas Global Quality Control Standards. This comparison has hopefully shed some light on the globalized nature of modern footwear production and how brands like Adidas navigate this landscape. We hope this video has been informative and helped you better understand the intricate world of Yeezy manufacturing.